Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. And again, Happy New Year to everybody. It's the first full week. Amazon Prime time. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Oops. Here we go. Sometimes you just got to stab it. There we go. Cut here. What do we got here? Whoa, this is something new. Coming from PhotoFast. Auto backup while charging. Whoa. So this is all brand new. Photos/video backup contacts. So that's always good in case you're swapping out phones. Especially now with everything's on social media with Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, the others, I forget. So many of them out there now, but this is a good way to always have a backup plan. This is what you get. Type-C cable, micro B cable, USB to lightning cable, memory card, PhotoCube Pro, and a USB charger. Okay. Auto backup both iOS and Android. Connect the PhotoCube Pro to your USB charger and start backup. Alright. Multiple devices, iPhone, iPad, Android. Phone backup is stored separate folders for easy management. In expand storage. Swappable MicroSD slot. Easy data transfer. Step 1. Step 2, you connect them two together. Step 3, connect it to the phone. QR codes. Compatible. What's in the box? iPhone, Android phone. Oh, what's not in the box? Okay. I pretty much got all those. I think I got a micro SD card somewhere. I had to dig through, so that might take me a second. Come on out. Ow. How do you open these things? Alright, one sec. Alright. Had to wrestle with it a little bit, but we got it out of the box. Photo. Oh. So you can use this for your iPad, tablets. Nice little USB. Look at this little guy. USB right there. So we'll hook the iPhone up to my computer. I'll show you that in a second once I hop over into that room. PhotoFast. So there's this. USB, micro slot. It comes with a 16 gig. Alright, so that's cool. That's all I'm going to need right now because I don't have that. I don't do too many selfies at all. So but this will come in handy for a lot of you vloggers, selfie enthusiasts. This will be a good device to get. It's lightweight, easy to carry. Pop that in your purse or your pocket. And then now we're going to go other way. Exit stage left. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, we are back now in the other room. My computer room. Or bedroom. We got this hooked up. Plugged it in here. All I gotta do is get to your USB side. And pop it in. There's an app to download. Let me put you guys down for a sec. Kind of hard to hold the phone. There we go. So grab this. And this side. Make sure you got your memory card slot right there. Gonna plug her in. Oh, come on. There we go. We got the red light on. That's a good sign. And it got recognized right there. Autoplay. So we're gonna have to choose. Oops, sorry about that. Choose a file. There we go. See, it says 14 gigs, so I had a 16 gig, read it. Then all you gotta do, download the app. Here's the app right there, PhotoFast. I already got it right there. Calendar, notification. There we go. So you got video, podcast, your Google Drive, Zip Drive, Chromecast, Photo Viewer, iTunes Music. I gotta adjust this screen, too bright. There we go. 4K iReader. So they got a lot of cool ones. So also you just gotta check it out. Now it's time to plug her in. Should light up. 1 second. Got that. There we go. There we go. And it should be authenticating. There we go. Wow, I got a lot of photos. There's for my art website I do, so no selfies, no anything else crazy. So photo backup in progress. Might take a second. Yeah, see it's flashing right there. So that's a good thing. So this is simple, easy to use. Give a gift to yourself and to another friend, co-worker, or somebody. These will be coming in handy, guys. They usually sell out once they go live, so you might want to click that link down below. Order now. Get a couple. So there it goes. It's going to take a sec. You can change screen brightness. That's cool. It might take longer. It depends on how many photos you have saved up in your phone. Also, you gotta remember that too. Also on your iPad, tablet, any Android device, iOS device. So really cool to have. Back up your calendar. If I could figure this out, you guys could do it too. Really easy. Just add that USB. Boom, boom. Just gotta hold on. Screensaver. I don't think that's gonna mess up anything. That was still going. Well, we got the PhotoFast auto backup while charging. So it charges your phone also. See right there. Let's get it fully charged. We're at 31%. 4 minutes. 4 minutes remain. I'll pause you guys. Alright guys, we got less than a minute to go. Look at that, still going. It's blinking right to the left. We're at 80%. So check them out, PhotoFast. Right here on Amazon Prime. The best auto backup for your photos, videos, calendars, contacts, iPhone, Android, USB, ready. Right there. Just about done. 360. I thought it was done. Maybe not. I'm gonna put you on pause. Alright, now it's getting there. You can see it's still flashing down at the bottom. See the little blinking red? That means it's almost done. 98, 99, Wayne Gretzky. Here we go. 100. Backup complete. Alright, alright. And let me check out one thing. There we go. Should pop up. There we go. There we go. Calendar, contact, photo. Whoa. Holy smokes. Yeah, these are all just, I believe, artwork. Oh no, eBay items. See how selling stuff? Holy smokes. Alright, I'm really happy now. Because I thought I had to get a MacBook to run iPhone. Because I got a Windows. But now, this device is amazing. 2 thumbs up. Definitely check them out. Like I said, you could do music. This is so cool. Photo viewer, podcast, recorder, Google Drive, Dropbox, zip files, Chromecast. I don't have Chromecast because I got Fire Stick, so, but this is amazing. Great technology, great piece to get, especially now with all the social media and with the, eBay stuff. You can always keep backup files of your items like Xboxes, anything available, merchandise you want to take pictures of, just in case something happens like a natural disaster, flash flood, flooding, fires. This thing will easy to store, easy to take along the road with. Great stuff. PhotoFast. Be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.